Hey guys, Dave at HD Trucks and Equip in Henderson, Tennessee. I've got a very nice little skid steer to show you here. We've got a 2014 John Deere 318D as in David. Nice piece. Just got it in. It's just got a little over 3,000 hours on it. It's got solid rubber tires on it, no more flats. I'm going to guess those are, let's call it 60 to 70%, something like that. It's got a 60-inch bucket, quick release, of course. And it's got the auxiliary hose kit. So if you want to put a different bucket on there with a thumb or whatever you can. Interior of the cab is very nice. That seat looks like it's virtually brand new. Not all banged all up, not all tore up. Those work lights up there are functional. Nice little track. Just works out so nice. Starts, runs, drives, does everything just exactly the way it's supposed to do it. It's got the nice cab protection on it. Hopefully this wind isn't going to be too much of an issue for you. Nice shape. Very clean. Nice little diesel powered unit in there. No oil laying all over the place. Straight little tractor. Very nice little piece. 2014, 3,000 hours. If you can use this, you give me a call. My name is Dave, and I'm with HD Trucks and Equip in Henderson, Tennessee. The phone number is 602-510-5444. And as always, thank you for looking.